Hi, how are you? Welcome back. Would you like to come and join us for a gentle family walk in the dunes of Norfolk? If the answer is yes, then please follow along. We're fighting the weather a little bit, or racing the weather. Anyway, it was beautifully glorious first thing this morning with the sun and not a cloud in the sky, but it's kind of threatening to rain now. So we thought we'd take the opportunity for a quick mini adventure with the family. Gentle walk through the dunes. I'd actually driven over 1,000 miles for work during the course of the week, so I asked Sam if he wouldn't mind taking his car, and he said yeah, he was happy to do that, to give me a bit of a break. And the 25 minutes in the car with the three of us was a really good time to spend together, just catching up and finding out what we'd all been up to during the week. I'm still experimenting with the tech, and in this case, experimenting with the microphone. And I wanted to try and capture some of the ambience and the wind noise. So I left the little fluffy thing, I don't know what it's called, off the end of the DJI mini microphone, and it resulted in this kind of slightly strange, low-grade, I don't know, wind noise over the microphone. But I'm going to leave it in for the video because that's very close to the noise that we were hearing all the time. It was a very open area and slightly breezy, so hopefully you don't mind the slightly odd noise that you'll hear through the rest of the video. We've been visiting the beach and the dunes here for years and years as a family. I've got many happy memories of the kids being tiny, I mean, as young as toddlers, playing hide and seek and kick post in the dunes and spending sunset evenings on the beach, having spent the whole day, having maybe a barbecue or a picnic. This is a very, very special place for our family, and I really hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. Having spent over an hour walking through the dunes, we decided that it was time to head back because the weather was really starting to close in, and there was a really nice church at the entrance of the village. The village is called Winterton, in case anybody's interested, and I had the drone with me, and I thought, well, it's probably going to be on the limits of the drone's kind of flight capability with the high winds, but I thought, well, let's go and have a look at the church and see if I can put the drone up safely and get some footage of it. With the rain now starting to fall properly, we decided we'd kind of chanced it enough, so we jumped in the car and made the short drive back home again through the Broads National Park, which is a fantastically scenic part of Norfolk. I'd encourage you to visit if you ever get the chance to be over here. So that brings us to the end of this video. Whoever you are, wherever you are, thanks for watching, take care of yourself, and maybe I'll see you the next time. Bye.